Hi guys, welcome to myToyS TV. Today we're gonna be opening some bananas, and these are bananas. And you can also, there's a palm tree in there. Bananas, banana toys, and you can make these things together, but be careful. Don't hurt yourself. I can't even do these. So let's get started. Where's the opening place? Oh, I braked it in another time. Oopsies. And I have two colors. I have green, yellow, and orangey yellow with yellow. Okay, finally got this a bit out. And now I need to find it again. Where is it? And now I need to use my scissors to cut a little opening so I can bring it out. Yeah, let's peel it. Whoa! The blind bags are bunching out. Let's check out there's 3 blind bags. Let's check out the first blind bag. Okay, let's see what we got. I've seriously never opened these before. Whoa, so cute. It's a little monkey, squishy. Let's check out the second one. I feel it. What is inside? What is this thing? Cameron is not here, so I can't have any help. So my only hope is to do things myself, because I have no hope. Cameraman's not here. Yeah, this. You put this right here. No. Where did I put this thingy? Maybe on my finger? No, I don't know where I'm supposed to put this thing. But I'm just gonna put the monkey on it and still figuring it out. It's not working, so I'm never gonna do this. So, now let's open this tiniest blind bag. It's wide. Whoa! I have a slice of a pie and a pineapple. Maybe I'm gonna feed in some pie and some pineapple. And she feels very fresh. Oops, I forgot something. there is a sticker. And I forgot something here too. There's diamond stickers. Whoa. I did not know they were so pretty. I did not know there were diamond stickers in here, in this banana, which is wild. This is a sticker. Now let's check out the blind bag. No, I mean the flyer. Let's see. Oh, I already see it. Let's take this monkey out. See if it's the same. Let's just check out further. There, I just got one part. I don't see it this side. So I'm just gonna assume it's on the other side. I got this. Mine is a rare. This is rare. I got a rare. Oh my gosh. I got a rare. And diamond stickers. Oh. Where my diamond stickers go? Oh, it's in the camera. So I'm gonna bring cameraman in here and then waiting for the next banana. So I'm gonna peel this banana out and put my things back in the banana. Not putting the rubbish in, just the banana and the things. I'm gonna stuff them in and then I'm gonna close it. First I'm gonna do this and plug this thing and then put it here. And this banana here and this leaf in here, the pie and the pineapple. And I'm gonna fold this flyer up and put it in there as well. And then I'm gonna close it. You might as well think camera is ill. Cameraman is ill, but he is not. He is taking care of my little sister. See, like a normal banana now. I just opened a banana. Bye.